So I took a deep breath and let my light shine. And guess what? I began to sparkle, filling the sky with colors I never knew I had.
Oh, you saw that? Pretty amazing, right? That clip alone has a whole story packed into it. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible tool that creates entire stories, complete with video and audio, powered by AI. Yeah, it's like having your own mini Pixar, but with way less coffee. All right, let's jump in. First, head over to LTX Studio, links in the description, no need for detective skills. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. The homepage gives you three options: go wild with your creativity, or just click what I did, start with an idea. Now, to cook up that idea, we're using our favorite AI chef, ChatGPT. Today, ChatGPT cooked up a cute story about stars just for little ones. Drop your story idea into the field, give it a fun title, choose an aspect ratio, and pick a video style. Whatever feels right. Now here's where the magic happens. On the right, you'll spot the characters of your story. LTX lets you customize them, so go ahead, make your stars sassy or sleepy if you like. Hit start, and voila. LTX will start building scenes. If you're feeling fancy, add extra scenes. Want a voice that sounds like Morgan Freeman reading a bedtime story? Even swap the soundtrack if you're vibing something new. Once you're ready, preview it. At first, it's just images, but if you're like, no, give me the full cinematic experience, hit Generate All for the video magic. Ready to share? Hit Share, select Download, and boom! You've got yourself a story video ready to take over social media. All right, that's all for today. If you liked this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what AI tools you want to see next. Catch you in the next one.